Hey guys, this is Jade Bonsai and today we are working on Jade plant. So as you can see, I have some Jade cuttings that I'm going to plant. I'm using rooting hormone. You don't have to use the rooting hormone because the Jade cuttings roots easily very well. But you have to use some sandy soil because Z cuttings do not like uh, very moisty soil, or you can say compact soil. After you have planted the cuttings, you should put in some shade for like 5 or 6 days, then you can transfer them into sun. As you can see, the cuttings have rooted very well. The new growth is looking awesome. After taking out from the pot, you can see the roots have developed very well. So after removing some soil, you can see the roots. So let's wash them and see the growth. So I want to remove the long roots because I have a small pot, ceramic pot, that I am going to use for this plant. I should remove some foliage because the energy level between roots and the upper part of the plant should established. After removing some foliage, I should measure the plant with pot I am satisfied with. I am using a ceramic pot, round pot for this plant. Uh, so after repotting the plant, I put some brick stones to hold the tree. I will remove the stones after 6 or 7 days after the roots have established in very well in the soil. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So I will be updating this plant uh, after 1 year, I think in March or February.